you ever consider to buy a CD, or did you allocate 20% of your 401k balance into a bond fund? You already get involved in bond. Bond is a contract between borrower and lender. Companies, municipalities, and sovereign governments issue bonds to finance projects and operations. Owners of the bond are debt holders or creditors of the issuer. The issue of bond will include the terms of the bond, interest payments that we've made, and the time at which the principal must be paid back. Because of the certainty of the interest payments and the maturity, an investor can use bond as target-driven financial planning vehicle. Bonds are traded in public debt market to allow thousands of investors to lend a portion of the capital to assume the role of the lender. The markets allow lenders to sell their bonds to other investors or to buy bonds from other individuals long after the original issuer raised capital. If you buy a 3-month CD today, you should expect to receive the principal back as well as 3 months interest at an annual rate of 4.1% at maturity. Generally, the principal of one bond is $1,000. If you buy a 30-year corporation bonds rated BBB today, you should expect coupon payments every 6 months for 30 years at an annual rate of 7.07% and mature in 30 years to get $1,000 back. If you can actively monitor the bond, you can choose lower rated, that is lower than Baa3 or BBB rate, to achieve higher interest payment. This strategy works well in a low interest environment and a growing economy, but could lose principal in case of default, as the borrower no longer be able to pay the principal back. This graph shows the price history of a AAA-rated corporation-issued bond. The bond was issued in May 2018 and will mature in January 3, 2023. The price increased up to $105 and dropped as much as 5% from the peak. Because the company Johnson & Johnson is a solid company, the investor should get the principal back and all interest payments at an annual rate of 2.05% during the life of the bond. Price quoted explanation for the new bond investor. Even the principal of one bond is $1,000. The price was quoted as $105. When you sell the one bond at the peak, you will get $1,050 back. The annual rate 2.05% seems low right now, but was an attractive rate in 2018. So the market condition can change dramatically.